when a child wakes up from a nightmare. She hugs her pillow to her chest and chants 3 times, "Baku-san, come eat my dream. Baku-san, come eat my dream. Baku-san, come eat my dream." If her request is granted, a monstrous Baku will come into her room and suck the bad dream away. But Japanese children are cautious when calling the Baku because a too hungry Baku will eat too much and eat good dreams as well as bad, leaving the child feeling empty. Baku are made up of a bunch of different animals. They have the body of a bear, the head of a rhinoceros, the nose of an elephant, the feet of a tiger, and the tail of an ox. The Japanese are not the only culture that has mythical, or fake, creatures that are composed of parts from more than one animal, sometimes including humans. Greek mythology has an abundance of these mythical creatures. They had Medusa, a beautiful woman with a head of snakes. If you looked at her directly, she would turn you to stone. They also told of griffins, creatures with the body, tail, and back legs of a lion, and the head and the wings of an eagle. Griffins are known for guarding treasure or priceless possessions. Egyptians had the Sphinx, which had the head of a human, the haunches of a lion, and sometimes the wings of a bird. Like the griffin, it guarded treasure. Treasure seekers would be asked a riddle and then have to answer it in order to get by. We are about to begin a project where we create our own mythical creature made up of pieces of this and pieces of that. Today we're going to brainstorm types of creatures that we might want to use. We're going to do it together as a group. So first you're going to get a piece of paper that says head, arms and body, and legs. And then it has a line dividing each section and has some marks on each line. You're going to fold the paper so that the only part you're looking at is the head section. Then, you're going to draw a head, any head that you want. It can be a person, an animal, or something totally made up. But you are going to end with the neck and make sure that that neck lines up to those 2 marks that are on the line. Next, fold the paper so that the arms and body section is facing up, but the head section is hidden. You're going to pass it to your neighbor without letting them see the head that you drew. Meanwhile, you'll have a new sheet that your neighbor passed you. Without looking at what they drew for the head, you're going to draw the arms and the body. Start at the 2 marks up top because that's where the first person ended their head. End the body at the 2 marks at the bottom. Then you're going to fold it over so that the leg section is up and pass it to that same neighbor that you passed it to before. You will have gotten another sheet, and you'll draw the legs and the feet, starting with the marks at top. At the end of this one, you can unfold the paper and look at the weird mixed up creatures that you created.